I think, my fear is that if they are honest enough, that they should be thinking we are all that people of the state deserve is responsible government who can handle the crisis, not allow this statelessness to go on forever, and enough is enough. I think the government of India has been doing this very irresponsible governing through diktats and unconstitutional subversion of the relationship between state and centre, and trying to hide behind an incompetent government in Imphal. And I think the Prime Minister is solely responsible for this by outsourcing these things to the Home Minister. I think that must not be forgotten behind this drama of resignation. This is what I think we have been demanding, that there should be a government who is responsible, who can handle this crisis. That's what we are expecting now. Let's see. My only fear is that it should not be wait and watch, and there's suspicion that if he is reinstated again or any other, I think whoever takes over, our only hope and prayer is that we should have a competent government to deal with the crisis.